Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Nature's Masterpiece YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna make persimmon smoothie. Ingredients we need are 6 persimmons. Try to choose ripe and soft ones. Saffron, a banana, cardamom, and cardamom powder, and rose water, a bit of sugar, ice, and coconut water. Here, this is my coconut, and this is the mixture of coconut water and saffron and a bit of water. So I have coconut water and saffron right here at the same time. Now what we need to do is to cut the persimmons to get the seeds out. We don't need seed. Now I'm gonna put these in blender. It's thick, so fantastic. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.